Brett?
Yes, sir.
Is it that time?
It's that time.
All right, where are we?
We are done. Well, pretty much. The only thing we have left to do is finish plumbing the dump valve. But we are installed. We are welded, powder coated, installed. Everything's tight. Everything's on. We are just about ready to go for a test drive. It's all plumbed in. It's all riding on its air. This will be the ride height going down the road, and then we'll show you dumped position. There's all the way down. You got to get about 4 inches of drop, 4-ish inches. Then we'll bring it back up to ride height. But we are done. As you can see, we matched the orange as close as we could. Pretty sweet color on the powder coat. So.
And we did do a little engineering here, and this is something that will be added in the kit. You won't get the McDonald's fry box, but you will get a nice holder on there.
These silly kindlers have hood brackets that are always covered in grease. So we went to McDonald's just to get those empty ones. You know, health reasons. You don't eat too many fries, so we got empty ones.
So Brett, why don't you tell us how, in your mind, this week has gone with the help of the Kelderman guys coming here, and how this has all been in your mind?
Well, it went pretty good. It feels like a long week. Can't believe it's Friday already, but yeah, we started Monday by taking it all apart, doing a lot of measuring, built a few different styles of brackets, got things bolted on. Yesterday afternoon, we finally agreed on a bracket on how we liked it, put everything in place exactly how we liked it. So they got them into welding in the powder coat. They showed up at 1 o'clock, right out of the oven, still warm. We got it all on, we got it installed, and went really well. This week was awesome working with Wes, Jeff, Marcus, and Zach. It was at Kelderman Manufacturing. It was awesome working with them guys. Went great, and now they're going to touch a few things up on how they want it, and then next week at some point we should be ready to start selling and installing the Kenworth setup.
So why don't you, real quick, since we have it all on here,
Yep.
Why don't you show us some of the key features of what we like about this air ride design, maybe versus some of the other companies out there?
So I really like this, and this one is really installer friendly because you literally unbolt a few odds and ends in here. You unbolt the shock, and you put take the spring out, put this new spring in, put this mount in. This mount literally bolts right in place with old holes. This one hole is already in one plate. You just have to finish drawing another plate. And then you've got this simple plate here that our air valve bolts to and our leveling valve bolts to. It goes in 2 existing holes. This hanger has to be moved back, but it's easy because it used to mount right here. And this hole, we literally just move back, so you have to drill 2 holes. So we just have to drill these 2 holes, and there will be a template for that, so you can see that easier.
And real quick, this is
yes.
not normally.
No, this is an added-on thing. A lot of these newer trucks don't come with coolant filters, so Adam has added this into this truck just to be able to filter his coolant. We'll build a bracket and mount this on, so that's solid again. Other than that, yeah, we've got the dump is wired in, so you can dump it. We got everything's done. We just basically have to go through, tie up our wires, make sure bolts are tight so it's ready to go down the road, and then the driver can take off and get to making some money again to pay for the kit.
Yeah, and one other thing, the shock on this, there are 2 different options. This is the Raptor clicker shock option. Yes. If you want to save yourself $2,000,
no,
give or take some.
It's $200 for just the regular Gabriel shocks. I think it was $1,500, I think, for a pair of these shocks, which these are really nice shocks, adjustable so you can set them where you want them. I've got them on my truck. Driver loves them. They're set about right in the middle. Driver loves how it is. Really responsive. So far, we'll get this one out and drive it, and maybe we can do a ride along, do a video of how it rides. It'll be tough to kind of see. Maybe we can get safe shoved in under the hood or something, he can take a video going down the road or something.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. A for effort.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm 100% positive on that one. So
we'll see what we can do. We'll get him shoved under the hood one way or another.
All right, guys. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up here. We'll have another video. We'll do an interview here with Adam, talking about it after we get a few more things buttoned up and we go on a ride with him, and
yeah,
we'll have an interview with Adam. Again, this truck, this Kenworth, along with one of our Peterbilts, will be at Walcott this year on display. So yeah, this is the look though, and how the new Kelderman front air ride for Kenworths are going to look. And yeah, just absolutely stunning on the powder coating when you get to see it actually in person.
It's got some serious. The camera doesn't do much justice, but it's got some serious sparkle in it. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah. So make sure you stop into Outer Limits. Give us a call if you're interested in one of these or one for your Peterbilt. We will be doing a video series on a Peterbilt here next, so we're looking forward to that. Brett, do you have anything else you want to add on about the Kelderman Air Ride kits here?
I don't think so. Hurry up and buy.
Absolutely. Alrighty, guys. We'll talk to you later.